Ever pondered over the secret of creating the perfect spaghetti sauce right in your own kitchen? A sauce that's rich, aromatic, and bursting with the authentic flavors of Italy? Well, the answer is simpler than you might think, and today, we'll delve into the art of making that perfect spaghetti sauce from scratch. Firstly, ingredients play a crucial role. Gather the freshest produce you can find: ripe, juicy tomatoes, aromatic basil leaves, pungent garlic, and high-quality olive oil. The choice of tomatoes can make or break your sauce. Plum tomatoes are a popular choice due to their sweet flavor and low water content. The first step is to prepare your tomatoes. Rinse them under cold water, slice off the tops and bottoms, and cut a small X into the bottom of each. This will make the peeling process easier later on. Next, plunge your tomatoes into a pot of boiling water for about 60 seconds, or until the skins start to peel away. Remove them with a slotted spoon and immediately transfer them into a bowl of ice water to halt the cooking process. Once they're cool, the skins should slide off easily. Then, cut the tomatoes in half, scoop out the seeds, and chop them into small pieces. Now, on to the cooking. Heat a generous amount of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add finely chopped onions, a pinch of salt, and let them sweat until they become soft and translucent. Then add minced garlic and cook until it releases its fragrance. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can impart a bitter taste to your sauce. Once your onions and garlic are ready, it's time to add the tomatoes. Stir them into the pan, add a sprinkle of sugar to balance the acidity, and let the mixture simmer. This is when the magic happens. The heat breaks down the tomatoes, releasing their juices and allowing the flavors to meld together. After about 30 minutes, when the sauce has thickened to your liking, it's time for the final touches. Tear in some fresh basil leaves, season with salt and pepper, and give it a good stir. Some people also like to add a splash of red wine at this stage, but that's entirely up to you. And there you have it, a homemade spaghetti sauce that's sure to impress. To summarize, start with fresh ingredients, peel and chop your tomatoes, sauté your onions and garlic, add the tomatoes and let them simmer, and finish off with fresh basil and seasoning. Remember, the beauty of this sauce lies in its simplicity. It's all about letting the natural flavors shine through. So the next time you're craving spaghetti, skip the jarred sauce and make your own. It's easier than you think, and the taste is incomparable. Buon appetito!